and welcome once again to Russian Survival Guide. I'm Krivchenia, here today at the Railway Museum in St. Petersburg. The Railway Museum is located behind Baltiyskiy Vokzal, or Baltiyskiy Railway Station, and uses part of an old railroad station to house locomotives and trains from times past. This new and innovative museum was opened in 2017. It is interactive and is a treat for anybody who loves trains, or enjoys traveling, or just wants to see what it was once like to move around Russia. One of the interesting parts of this museum is that you can go inside some of the train cars and engines. Although many of the engines say, please do not climb on and please do not touch. This one, for example, was the post car. You see an example of postmen working inside and bags of post and boxes around you. Here at the Railway Museum, there are over 118 pieces of rolling stock, which you can view from the floor around them, from above on the catwalks, and even go underneath. There are over 35,000 pieces of artifacts from the railroads here in St. Petersburg. If you're interested in trains or love them or they're fond memory of your childhood, perhaps you would like to hold your event here at the Russian Railway Museum. You could do an event, gala dinner, perhaps a conference. If trains have been a favorite part of your childhood or you just enjoy going for a ride, the Railway Museum here in St. Petersburg is a wonderful place to explore, touch, see, and feel different parts of the railway and enjoy yourself. If trains are part of your fantasy from childhood, then having an event here would be perfect for you.